move across the area. A flood advisory is in place for places like Iron City, 5 Points, Linville, back to Pulaski, southern tier of Columbia in Murray County. You are all underneath this flood advisory until 2:45 today. Now looking back down towards the Gulf, we do have ZETA continuing to make its way very slow slightly to the north. We've got rain bands already impacting Louisiana, places like New Orleans seeing some light patchy rain. And in fact, this deep plume of tropical moisture is the reason why we are seeing rain here in Middle Tennessee. Heavier pockets of rain right now through parts of Giles County, Lincoln, Franklin, all the way up into Coffee, Grundy. You're all seeing some heavier pockets of rain through Lawrenceburg, back into Hohenwald, and just south of the city of Columbia. Track of this moving south into the northern tier of the state, about to cross I-40 with that really heavy. They're really not the best of days to be out and about. Mid-50s from Hopkinsville into Clarksville, Dixon at 55. Nashville sitting at 59, and temperatures back down towards the south just a little bit from Bedford County over into Winchester. You're in the upper 60s. So it's going to be an array of temperatures throughout the afternoon. Current conditions with ZETA, still a Category 1 storm. Winds sustained at 90 miles an hour, moving north at 18. Wind gusts at about 115 miles an hour. It was expected to become a Category 2 storm. At this point, looks like it's going to be a Category 1 right over the southern tier of Louisiana later tonight and in through tomorrow. It's going to cross right over Alabama. They have a tropical storm watch in place for places like Birmingham, Alabama. And then that same track is going to take it right over East Tennessee through Thursday morning and then scoots out really quickly towards the east. So here's the latest information coming in. The newest model data. 7 o'clock tonight, we'll see scattered showers around, widespread rain possible. Temperatures will be hovering in the 60s and 50s all afternoon. 11 o'clock tonight, more rain around as it moves in through parts of southern Kentucky, and early Thursday morning, we may see a break or two in the rain, but nonetheless, definitely going to be a cloudy, breezier day with temperatures in the 60s and low 70s. Patchy rain possible all the way through Thursday evening. Friday, clouds will be intact. Temperatures mainly going to be hovering in the 30s and 40s early Friday morning, and it's going to be a chilly day as highs will only be in the mid 50s. Now, we're going to see wind today, but the wind really begins to ramp up Thursday morning. This is 3 o'clock. We could see wind gusts close to 40 miles an hour in Shelbyville, and it's definitely going to be a windy one. Periods throughout the day will be very windy. Winds sustained at about, I'd say, 15 miles an hour with wind gusts possible up to 30. So definitely going to continue with the breezy conditions. And again, we're concerned about the flash flooding. As you can see, over the next couple of days through Saturday, we will see a good amount of rain. Rain really does end by Thursday, so Friday, Saturday dry, but it is looking like we could see